Good morning from Isaac Lake, Site 28. We are done with Isaac Lake. We're heading down the portage. We are not running the chute today, although it doesn't look that hard. Apparently the next part, the roller coaster, is harder, and we have young uns with us. So off we go. Bye, Isaac Lake. The packing out process always seems like such chaos. We're off from 28 on through the portage. Good morning from the chute, which no one seems to be running, including us. And down the Isaac River. More view of all the paddles that have been carved by people over the years. This is what we could have been paddling on, maybe, if it was safe for us. If you're planning on paddling the circuit and you don't know what a sweeper is, or if you've never seen one, there's one on the right-hand side of the river. Going out almost halfway. Hit that broadside and you're tipped over instantly. And you hit it broadside because you see it and you try and turn, but you don't make the turn. So stay clear, boys and girls. Well, you can see a bit of it through the trees. Well, you definitely don't want to be out in the water here. Oh yeah. Yeah, this section is a little more treacherous. Look at the rocks and the bumps. Oh yeah. The struggle is real. Oh, you can keep, yeah. We got some mud, we got some rocks. There we go, we made it over that one. Then we have the mud. Oh, and then we have some more mud. We can hear the river raging beside us. And another mud hole. Oh yeah, and look at the river over here. Wow, that'd be fun to go down. There we go. Down the river we go. Well, we got a little bit more than we bargained for. Those rapids were unexpected. Then we had to pull out before the death falls. Wow, here they are, Isaac Falls. Just a mass of white water. Isaac Falls in all its glory. Yeah. Another shot with a different focal length. Wow. Comes the rest of the crew coming down the Isaac River. I'm facing upstream. Alright, I better turn around and go the right direction. We're now in the Caribou River. Well, stay right in the middle is the advice given to us. Oh, this is so beautiful down here. We got a breeze kicking up and we got storm clouds brewing up ahead. Just finished the Caribou River. And whatever this lake is, Lanese Lake, Lanese, I don't know. Here we are, convoying down the lake. Here comes the wind again. Oh, we're at the Turner Creek and we just dodged a thunderstorm. And these are the highest peaks in the park. That's what it looks like down the lake. Still raining. Trying to catch another thunderclap, but nope, I missed it again. Oh, maybe I can hear it off in the distance. There, now I think I captured some of the thunder. It's been raining hard the whole way down Lanese Lake, so it stopped raining now, so let's get a view back from the way we came. These mountains are just amazing. And we've had a tailwind. I'll just swing around now and pan across these mountains. Oh, I didn't quite set the lens pointing high enough. Wow. All right. I'm in. And we have a tailwind with a bit of chop. No problem. Especially since it's a tailwind. But I'm just turning around now, so that was a bit tippy. Look at that, the weather's opening up ahead. Daryl's going in to look for the pictographs. Repeat that?
Ohio.
What about Ohio?
That's what it says on the first letter.
Ohio 1926.
Morris. Greeley. Morris Greeley, 1926.
You're making that up, or is this real? Oh, okay, up there.
O-H-I-O.
Oh, collision course.
Greeley, 1926. Woo.
Oh yeah.
Somebody brought his router out
Down near the
I think.
west end of Lanese Lake, you'll find this rock with this old writing on it.
1926.
Wow.
He came in a birch bark canoe. 99 years
And
ago.
it didn't burn down from the natives?
The flaming arrows.
Flaming arrows, yeah.
That's cool. We'll have to do a Google search of him.
Yeah. Yeah, look at the fireweed. I love fireweed. Such a cool thing.
Yeah, turned out good. I do see blue skies. Hey, I don't care what they say about you. You're a good leader. Yeah. All right. Yeah, you're the leader, I'm telling you. Yeah, there is some there.
Oh man, this is awesome. I'm glad we soldiered on. Yoo-hoo.
Yeah, it was a good call.
That is even more blue sky ahead of us. Our campsite's going to be bone dry. Probably not. But at least it won't be like Noah's Ark.
Yeah. And we won't be so cold.
All right, 37A. Close to 30 kilometers of paddling and portages today. Yay! And no one's here. Whoa!
Whoa, the mosquitoes are brutal here.
Oh yeah.
I'll just give it an hour. There's a couple pads over there. I don't know if there's more there.
There's a double one here that we thought we'd throw our family in.
Is there one off to the left?
How many sites are supposed to be here?
Yep, that's the blue sky here at campsite 37A on Sandy Lake. We had a rainy day yesterday, at least in the afternoon. Well, we kept paddling and we got to this amazing spot. Yeah, the sun's going to be bright over there. That's where we came from. And there's the fishermen. We're headed down the rest of Sandy Lake. Who knows where it will take us today? Let's do it.
Daryl, this had some good top end. Really? Yeah, you could feel it wasn't like you could really power in. Oh, when I was getting that push on it. When I was screaming at Jen, laugh, I was powering as hard as I could to get to her.
All right, we're in the Caribou River again, looks like.
Yeah. They can hear it like.
Hey! Echo! Hey, you're up there again! Yesterday the echoes were crazy.
We could hear you way up. We were like 2 kilometers ahead of you. We could hear you guys echoing.
Yeah, and then we started singing.
Yeah, we could hear you singing. The time goes by.
Oh, you guys, we could hear you guys coming miles away. Well, I don't know what you were singing. "3 kilometers," it just popped up with a notification. Okay. What does that sign say? Danger. Waterfall ahead. Oh, look at this. This is nice. Oh, wow, the current is... Oh, I'm okay. He's coming in. He's got a better line than I did. Whoa! What just happened there? Oh, I just got my tail end swung around. I didn't mean to come this way, but yeah. I'm good, but that was a bit of a surprise. Yeah. I read about that in the guidebook, that when you come in and out of current, it's going to kick you around, but I didn't think the current was that strong. Oh, look at that peak up ahead.
What was that peak, Kincaid? Is this Una Lake?
Yeah.
So this has like 40 sites on it.
Wow, but it's
Or something
nice.
like that, or 20 sites.
That is impressive. Oh, that is crazy. Watch your step while you're filming. Go!
Follow!
Follow!
Good echo.
That was echo.
Oh!
All right. Let's
Those
watch.
chemtrails that we're getting seeded with right now, those 3 lines up there,
Yeah, what are they?
we're getting chemtrails seeded. We're getting rain seeded.
You know what? You know how many times I see that on some of these Facebook groups? It's like, and people are dead serious.
Oh, I know.
It's like,
I totally believe it.
They do cloud seed to rain, but it's not jet. It's like in Ohio where they need it for corn.
Everything's a conspiracy.
So we gotta paddle upstream.
Yeah, watch it when you first hit the current. It's going to jerk the front of your kayak around.
We'll probably put two of us. You'll go cut in first, and then we'll put two on the lower side.
Okay.
But you go on that far. You see how the canoes came up? They're on the far side.
I'll be fine. If
I know.
If I really want to, I can paddle. Okay.
We're entering the channel of doom.
Oh, I think we'll be good.
Cut through the reeds here. All right, I'm going off to the left. I'm going to crank in at a steep angle. Here I go. Crank it. Follow me. This is going to be easy. That was the way to go, man. I didn't get any of that sideways stuff. All right, Kincaid's through. Well, that was hard work paddling upstream in the Caribou River. And now we're entering Babcock Creek. I think there's a portage coming up soon. There's the sign. The fun process of portaging.
Keep going, Judith.
You want to hook that one up?
Not worried about
Is that the one that's broken?
Nope. Try that again.
My kayak always tips out.
All right, Babcock Lake. I don't know if that's beetle kill from the years ago up on the hill, or whether that's a forest fire, or was a forest fire. Oh, it's getting shallow here. About 11K.
11?
Yeah,
Okay.
not including the hike.
Not including what?
The hike is on top of that. I didn't record that. It's dead calm here in Babcock Lake. Wow. One more portage from Babcock into, I don't know the name of this lake, the little guy. And there's mosquitoes flying with me in the kayak. Get out! Oh, this is a cool little channel. I wonder how long it lasts. Barely enough room to get your paddles in. There's hardly enough room to get your paddles in.
Actually, if you're 6'9", has 270.
Oh!
Let's not rush these people.
No, I know.
They got three canoes with them.
I don't think they were all together.
Right, last lake for the day. Just finished the last portage. Spectacle Lake, Heddenport campsite, 48. Giddy up. Two in the water and the rest still launching. Crazy, a sandbar in the middle of the lake. Or is it Daryl is walking on water? Which one is it? And yeah, another day of pouring rain as we head down the Bowron River on our last and final day. with an unspecified number of kayaks, in case someone's watching this video. One last view of the rain we're leaving behind. Oh, wow, is it ever raining hard today. That's it, we're done.